Hey, you and your bullshit. This dumb act, only you and I together. Well, you know what you can do? You can go rot in hell.
Rebecca?
Wow. She won't help.
Go shit yourself and have a nice night with Ushi.
Hungry. This is so unfair. You guys are zombies too, and I'm in chains?
First, we didn't need our gym teacher. And second, it's only till Rebecca helps.
You think Rebecca will help? When birds fly out of my ass.
Here, in case you're bored.
Barbie's Supermarket Adventure? I played this one already. So, is she there?
No, she's probably out with those goths. Are you crazy?
What? Look, at least I'm cooking it. Hey, if I cook the meat all the way through, it won't be raw, and I won't go crazy and start killing people.
Ew.
Shit. Who the hell could that be? The cops? Whoa, how'd they find us this fast? Listen, without a search warrant, no one gets in. This house is yours, and legally they need a warrant. No one gets in. No one.
Yeah?
I hope you don't mind that I brought some of my friends along with me.
The whole school. She's popular. Duh. Oh my god. She's only popular because she was like. What the heck? They're all making out. It's disgusting.
Oh, that's
Well,
disgusting. Watch, they're gonna make out again.
I know.
Ew!
It's disgusting.
Okay, step back, guys. The first one to hit the target gets cash. Ready?
Oh.
2, let go!
Ew!
What was that?
I don't know, sweetie. Looks like yogurt. Only it tastes quite different.
Still the master. Okay, guys, hand over the cash.
I was going to call the cops about all the noise, but it sounds like so much fun. It reminded me of my youth. Today, everything's about ecstasy and video games and surfing the internet.
Hash and group sex. Hello. I just bought a new alarm clock. Do you want to hear it ring tomorrow morning?
I think you should bring me another drink.
Can't you do that somewhere else?
Somebody's already in the master bedroom.
I'll go away. I'm close.
That's disgusting.
You know you're on video right now.
I know. Who cares?
Oh, it's a birthday.
Oh, there's Mr. Popular. Okay, guys, I'd like you to meet the new rugby champ, my dance partner at the summer ball, and the lucky one who gets to ride this exquisite body with all the right curves, Philip.
I've been hearing a lot about you, Philip. So tell me, my friend, how does such a skinny loser get with such a serious hottie, huh?
She must like skinny losers, I guess.
So anyway, what'll be your major? Medicine or law?
Lawful medicine.
Funny guy.
Ew.
Oh.
Ew. Why are we doing this?
His walls are gonna fall.
Oh, you like horror movies?
It's for research.
I like to watch pornos when I'm doing my research.
Think you can beat me, huh? You're sadly mistaken. sadly mistaken.
Nice car.
Ah, yes!
Okay, pause it.
Nobody can beat the dead man.